Hey everybody, Steve here. Welcome to the channel. So far 2020 has provided me with a long list of things to either fix or upgrade on my vehicles, and I'm trying to make a video for just about every single thing that I can do. As of right now, we're sitting a little over 6 million views and 23,000 subscribers. So to all of you who have been here for a while, I really appreciate you. And for those of you who are visiting for the first time, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and take a step further. Hit that little bell so that you get notifications every time I come up with new videos. So I'm averaging a video a week so far in 2020, and I've got ideas for dozens of more videos. Bringing in friends has been a lot of fun. We've done stuff with Matt's Dodge, with Luke's BMW. Got together with Jonathan and worked on a pretty cool Cadillac. Jonathan is working on a race car that I hope we can get some video content for. And then of course, my Colorado and my Tahoe are always needing something. So this channel has pretty much become 90% automotive, but for those of you who have been around for a really long time that enjoy the crypto videos and the SDR videos, I'm out of ideas there. So do me a favor, shoot me an email. Tell me what you want to see and I'll make a video about one of those topics. But for now, it's all automotive and it's going to be great. So thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe and hit that little bell. I'll see you.